Such a show off. Oh dear. You madman. Hello and welcome to the video. So today you join me down at Llandow in South Wales for the AutoID track day. This track day was originally supposed to be in October last month, but due to the fuel crisis and the fuel shortage, it had to get moved to today, the middle of November. Because it's the middle of November, you join me in a wet and windy day in the south of Wales by the coast. Because of that, it means that I can actually go a lot slower around the track. And because the track is a little bit wet, it means I can go in MDM a little bit, and I can sometimes drift around the corners, even though you're not supposed to. Oh dear, you madman. Such a show off. Oh no, it got black flagged. Oh, bit of steer there, bit of oversteer. Yes, boy. Oh yes. Oh yes, boys. Oh. Like I said, you can go a lot slower, which means you can catch the drifts. Where was I? I've forgotten what I was saying. Now I am running Michelin Pilot Supersport 4S's, that's a long word, a long name, and they're fantastic in the wet. When I first got them, I was doing launch controls off the lights, just every day in the road, etc. And they were gripping and I was losing hardly any traction. So 4S's are perfect in the wet. They're also a fantastic tyre for when you want to be on track in the dry. I learned that when I was at Bedford, although I didn't have the Cup 2s, which a lot of people were running, those could allow you to get up to temperature a lot more and they were a lot stickier. The 4S is a perfect tyre because they worked great at Bedford, and they're an all-round tyre because they're fantastic today as well. So I think with track days, a lot of people are often quite concerned with how long the tyres will last on their car. Do you have to kind of basically replace the tyres after every track day? So I got these PS4S's in about June, July time during the summer. I used them on my Bedford track day and I'm using them again today at Llandow. Let's have a quick look at the front. Loads of tread left, which is really good to see, and I've been a little bit silly and naughty today, so let's have a look at the back. Again, loads of tread on the rear as well. So these tyres have been fantastic, and they might even last me till 2022 on my first track day next year. They've been fantastic. They get the Mr. H Cars thumbs up for recommended tyres. If you haven't seen my first track day at Bedford, click here and here, where I was kind of going round like a mad dog. I've learned a lot in that track day, and then going around with Tim as a stage 1 M140i hot lap at Bedford on the same day. You can again click here and here to watch it. Watching how he goes round track has taught me a lot. Now the reason why, and I didn't say this in the Bedford video, but I was finding that I was having a lot of oversteer. I was finding it very hard to get the back end to come round. And the reason for that is I wasn't braking hard enough. Here I'm basically doing all of my braking and then I'm on the throttle as I come round the corner. That means that I can skid a little bit and get the back end to come round, especially being in MDM. That was something that I didn't know in my first session at Bedford and learned afterwards with Tim in his 140. I'm still running the same tyres and the pads and braided lines and fluid etc. that I had from Swift Performance that they did for the upgrades for my Bedford session. So it's been a fantastic, I guess, use of money that I haven't had to put new tyres on or put new pads, and the pads I'm running are the DS 2500s if you're interested. So they've been fantastic on track and afterwards. Listen to that. Listen to that ticking sound. Pushed it hard and the tyres are nice and warm as well. Did a good lap session. I came in because I'd done my sessions of laps, and then Ash from AutoID was like, well, you're doing a passenger session. I was like, yeah, okay. So she hopped back in and went and did another 20 laps. So the car needs a proper cool down now. Oh, that's bad. This is probably quite a long video now, so like it, comment, subscribe, the usual. You can tell I've had a bit of caffeine. And I'll see you later in the next video. What a day. What a fantastic day it's been. Thinking of doing a track day, do it. You don't have to go a million miles an hour. You can go at your own pace, but just do it. I've had a fantastic day.